वेडिंग्स एक ऐसी जगह है जहां खाना फ्री होता है बट द फैशन ट्रॉमा इज फॉरएवर। फॉर डेकेड्स हमारी ब्राइड्स के पास बेसिकली दो ही ऑप्शंस थे। ऑप्शन वन, पहन लो वही 20 किलो का ब्लड रेड लहंगा जिसमें सांस लेना इज फिजिकली इम्पॉसिबल एंड लुक लाइक अ वॉकिंग टॉकिंग संस्कारी शैंडलियर। एंड ऑप्शन टू, wear pastel, smile politely and blend into the background like a well-behaved wallflower. बोरिंग राइट। शादी तुम्हारी है बट कपड़े डिजाइन हो रहे हैं ताकि रमेश अंकल और सुषमा आंटी को अटैक ना आए। बट देन the Indian fashion industry got hit by a neon colored 3D embellished unapologetic truck named Shubhika Sharma, and suddenly brides were dropping the ghungat and wearing studded jumpsuits to their sangeets. Guys, today we are talking about the ultimate rule breaker of Indian fashion, the brain behind Papa Don't Preach. So grab your chai क्योंकि ये स्टोरी में नेपोटिज्म नहीं है, सिर्फ प्योर सेविज हसल है। अब जब आप टॉप इंडियन डिजाइनर्स की बात करते हो, व्हाट इज द यूजुअल ओरिजिन स्टोरी? Oh, I studied at Parsons. My dad knew a Bollywood director, so I designed a movie and boom, I am a millionaire. Slow clap, good for them, but Shubhika, nah. Shubhika was a mass media and journalism student in Mumbai. No fancy fashion pedigree, कोई खानदानी textile business नहीं था. At 19, when most of us were trying to figure out कि college canteen में attendance proxy कैसे लगाएं, this girl opened a tiny tailoring boutique called Firefly in Navi Mumbai. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine doing a 3 hour local train commute every single day. हाँ, मुंबई लोकली, जहां लोगों की आत्मा उनकी बॉडी से अलग हो जाती है बेरार फास्ट में. Shubhika was doing that commute between her college and her boutique. While South Bombay kids were sipping iced lattes at Olive, she was haggling with Master G's over stitching delays and fabric cuts. She practically taught herself garment construction on the job. मतलब trial by fire, or should I say trial by firefly. So she hustles, she saves up and she goes to London for a short fashion course. वहाँ से she comes back to India in 2010 with a dream. A dream to make independent high street western fashion for Indian women, and she names it very modestly, very quietly, Papa Don't Preach. Kidding. The name itself was a middle finger to the लोग क्या कहेंगे society. मडोना के गाने से इंस्पायर्ड द नेम बेसिकली स्क्रीम्स, अंकल अपना ज्ञान अपने पास रखो, मुझे जो पहनना है मैं पहनूंगी. बट हियर्स वेयर द सैवेजरी मीट्स अ गुड बिजनेस सेंस. शुभिका क्विकली रियलाइज वन ब्रूटल ट्रुथ अबाउट इंडियन मार्केट. तुम कितना भी कूल टी शर्ट्स और ड्रेसेस बना लो, द रियल मनी इन इंडिया फ्लोज इनटू टू प्लेसेस, cricket and shadi. And since she couldn't stitch a bag, she looked at the bridal market. But she looked at the bridal market and said, you. She pivoted to the occasion wear in 2012, but on her own terms. She didn't want to make clothes for the bidai where the bride is crying. She wanted to make clothes for the after party where the bride is taking shots at the bar. Into the Papa Don't Preach aesthetic. Indian fashion तब जारदोजी, कुंदन और heavy thread work पे अटका था. Shubhika came in and threw her 3D acrylic hearts, metallic studs, pearls, and chunky crystals on her lehenga. She looked at the traditional color palette of maroon and gold and threw it out of the window. She bought in neon greens, bubblegum pinks, icy lilacs, and electric blues, and silhouettes. Bhai sahab. She invented the half lehenga. She made lehengas that showed off your legs so you could actually dance without tripping over your hemline. She paired heavy skirts with tiny structured bralettes. She made bridal jumpsuits. Imagine jumpsuits. Can you imagine the kalesh in your traditional Indian household when the daughter says, "मम्मी मैं मेहंदी पे neon pink jumpsuit पहनूंगी जिसपे मेटल के दिल बने होंगे." है आंटीज का तो बीपी ही शूट अप हो गया होगा. But the brides ate it up क्योंकि पहली बार कोई डिजाइनर उनको एक वॉकिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट पीस नहीं, एक एक्चुअल मेन कैरेक्टर फील करा रही थी. She made rebellious look glamorous. And then she didn't just stop at clothes. She went cruelty free. No leather, no silk that harms worms. She proved that you don't need to kill animals to make a luxury fashion. You just need killer aesthetics. But the ultimate flex. The Than Mill store in Chhatarpur, Delhi. Delhi is undisputed heavyweight champion of bridal culture. सब बड़े designers के वहाँ घर हैं. So how do you stand out? Shubhika and her sister Shimona designed a store that literally looks like an alien spaceship carrying a Willy Wonka crash into a coral reef. It has Anthony Gordy inspired organic curves, flashy pink walls, and giant sculpted vines. जब आप उस स्टोर में घुसते हो, you don't feel like you are in South Delhi anymore. You feel like you are in a high fashion hallucination. It is unapologetic, it is loud, and brilliant marketing. You go to Manish Malhotra to feel like a Yash Raj heroine. You go to Papa Don't Preach to feel like a pop star who just bought her own island. Today, everyone from Alia Bhatt to Mindy Kaling, from Chrissy Teigen to every influencer on your Instagram feed is wearing Papa Don't Preach. Shubhika Sharma is a living proof that you don't need to fit into the traditional boxes to build a luxury empire. You don't need to cater the old rules. If the industry tells you to make red lehengas, make the neon purple corset. If the society tells you to sit down, stand on a table in a chunky 6-inch embellished platform heels. She took the Indian wedding, the most traditional rule-bound institution, on a different planet and forced it to have a little fun. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you slay. So next time an auntie tells you your outfit is too loud, just look at her, smile and say, Papa don't preach. If you love this story, drop a heart in comments, hit subscribe and let me know which savage designer we should cover next. Until then, keep it bold, keep it weird, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.